Welcome, Forex traders. Welcome to my live day trading room, and welcome to episode number 55. I'm sure by now you already know about the site where you can link up your MT4 to my MT4 and receive all the trades I make, even when your MT4 is not on. I'm going to take you on over here to my equity curve. This is where I have been sitting in a drawdown right now. It's not a fun drawdown because there was a lot of trades in here. All this right here is all this in here, and a lot of those I should have actually had taken profit on, and a couple of them I had missed. So I only I don't have any of the winning trades in there that should have been. So I've been dropping the ball lately, been missing the mark, and I apologize. So that's I'm paying the price for that right now, all these guys in here. Yeah, I've sat through a similar type drawdown right in here before, and we came out of it just fine. So it sucks to be in it, but I know that we're going to come out of it just fine. So I did take some entries, and I want to get into it right after this. All right, today is the 20th of January. Was it Wednesday? So this is going to be a trading session for Thursday already. Wow, I can't believe we're already in Thursday. This has been not a good week for me. Not a fun trading week. Been getting smacked around a little bit. So here we go. We had the inauguration. So I got wrecked in this move. And I got wrecked in this move right here. It came all the way down, stopped me out. Yeah, that's where we're at right now on those. So, but I did take a front run on the pound yen. I did take a entry on the pound US dollar. I do have a pending order in on the Australian yen, pending order on the Australia US dollar, pending order in on the CAD yen, and then we're going to have to watch this guy. If we breach back above the M2 and then above the daily central pivot, that will be our trigger. So it's going to have to show bullishness first before it's going to have to pass a couple of criteria first before I take any more longs on that one. But then that would be basically, at that point, this would be a nice little cradle right here. So we'll let other people do the hard work and pull us back up into bullish territory. Same thing here with the US dollar, except for we're already above the M2. So basically, I just need the breakout in the London or New York session and give me that nice little cradle in here to play with. So, and then that would be a low, that would be a higher low. So this is a low, this would be a higher low. Same thing over here. Okay, and that's not revenge trading, that's just getting back into something after volatility. So, and that's just trading the system. All right, so that's where we're at right now. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the dark charts, and we're going to time lapse this. Okay, updating my Australian yen because we already went into the profit target zone. Let's go ahead and do that right now.
I read Ishmael. Am I supposed to talk about that right now? It was like 12 years. Ishmael is the book where the gorilla comes from. It's the gorilla was called Ishmael. And in the book they talk about takers and leaders, and humans have provided me these tribes and types of people that takers. And there's so many takers right now in the world that the leaders we basically desecrated.
Good morning. It's 2:16 a.m. on the 21st of January. Taking a look here. Bitcoin is starting to. I did readjust these lines a little bit just because I did have. First of all, I had this red line going something like right here, and you know, maybe that was correct. I just didn't have any volume when it was breaking out, and it was looking like it was pulling back in. So, yeah, it was either that breakout or the line where I have it right now as a breakout. But looks like a little bit more volume is coming in right now. It's still not too. It's still not much. It's maybe more volume is going to occur once we break this low right here, or even the low over here. But yeah, it's, you know, even though it's gone, yeah, it's gone, you know, consistently down, 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 down. We're used to Bitcoin doing one of these, you know what I mean, really fast. So, but anyways, a breakout's a breakout, right? Yeah, it's heading. It's down to 32.6. Ethereum's dropping also, which is kind of upsetting because I wanted to see Ethereum surge past its all-time high. Let's check out the dollar. The dollar's still heading down. It's this is the daily, so we kind of had like this. Came down to support, had a little bit of a bounce, corrected to the 55, and a little bit of a down right now. All right, let's check out the ETH Bitcoin ratio. It's coming up right up into resistance, and the dominance is heading down. Even when, wow, I'm surprised. Even when Bitcoin's heading down, the dominance is heading down. Usually, whenever Bitcoin makes a move, the dominance goes up. Yeah, okay, interesting. All right, well, back to Forex. And looks like the pound's coming to bail us out. I'm going to wipe away our drawdown. Thank you, pound. It is 2:18 a.m.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
All right. Okay, so it's 5:51 a.m. So we're about 9 minutes out from the New York session, and I am getting the trade alert for Euro Yen. It is breaking above its pivot, the central pivot for the day. So I need a couple of closures above this in order to validate it, and then we'll be taking a long. So we'll keep you updated on that. All right, it's 6:45 a.m. and I am getting this candle, a couple of candles closed above. So I need to place my pending order. We're still about 2 minutes away from the close of the candle. I want to see how these other candles close. Okay, so GU didn't close as bullishly as I was hoping. At the last 2 minutes, we had that candle wick pull right down. So right there at the yeah, that's my candle wick right there at the last couple of minutes. So yeah, anyways, struggling right now, but we're still above all this right here. So this is the one thing that's keeping me happy about this. As long as we stay above it, I don't like how we keep throwing all these long candle wicks right in this zone right in here. But anyways, nothing I can do about it. Let's see here. Okay, so let's go ahead and place that pending order right now. It's gone over to my full pivots. Okay, so pivot spread 2.2. Let's go with 3.6. 125,623. Okay, so I had to do a half lot size since the stop is so large on this one. 64 pip stop, so I had to reduce my entry by half. Okay, so yeah, you know what stinks about this is the stop out from yesterday. Yep, that's what really stinks. Okay, so let's see here. Let's take it back on over and we'll time lapse it. Okay, it is 11:16 a.m. my time, so we're still a few hours away from the New York close. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and remove my pending orders since we are kind of past its prime time, and I don't like to trade on Fridays. I went back and forth a few times on trading Fridays, but I just don't like Fridays, period. So yeah, they just never ever work out for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove these, and I only have my active orders on right now with the pound yen and the USD, or the pound USD. All right, it's 1:48 p.m. Just taking a quick look at the markets here. Holding strong right now on both the pound. I have 2 pound yen entries, one here, one there. And then a pound dollar entry in here, holding strong on those. So it's going to be higher profit targets. It's going to be tomorrow's profit targets. Also, taking a look back here at the euro. The euro is just toying with me. Remember, I took the long entry in here, and I just got stopped out right in here. Same thing with the euro USD. I took that long entry right in here, got stopped out by this one right here. And the only reason why I did not enter this is because this box right here was lower than this box, and just by a little bit too, not by much. If it was equal, if this was the box was here and here instead, if it was something of equal value, then I would have taken this shot right here. So unfortunately, yeah, that's just take what the market throws at me, and that's what it threw at me. So it's trolling me. Anyways, 1:50 p.m. Okay, so it's 2:50 p.m. We're sitting about 10 minutes out from the end of the New York session, and let's go ahead and take a look here at where I'm going to move my target to. Let's go ahead and start off on the pound yen. Pound yen. Oh, let me turn off my alarm clock. Okay, so we're going to be having targets. Oh, look at that. Perfect. They align perfectly right here. Okay, we got a target. Really good. Pound yen. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the pound dollar. Let's see how we're looking here. Okay, so we did not hit target. So yeah, you know, oh boy. You know, I'm gonna have to just do the weekly target. It's not like we have a smaller week compared to last week. Last week was the smaller one. If we had like a really small week, then you know I wouldn't have any problem with taking a higher target. But looks like right in here the weekly target. So yeah, that's gonna be it. All right, but you know what's looking really nice is the pound yen. I do have 2 orders on that one open right now. So yeah, but we'll see here in about 8 more minutes. We wait. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still falling out. We're looking at it on the weekly chart here. We talked about it last time on the last video. We talked about this being the weekly 21, and it's coming up, and it's gonna I'm fully expecting price to come down and skirt that 21. Remember, the 21's not there yet. So when we throw that wick in here, eventually that 21 is going to look like it's just skirting that wick. That's the thing about backtesting moving averages. They're never where they're at when price is there. All right, here we go. We are within 1 minute. I'm starting to see the spread widen. And it looks like we have lock right now. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and mark this out. I'm not taking any new trades on Friday. It's just a slight advantage according to all the stats, but Fridays always give me a nightmare, always. So I'm not. I will hold on to my positions I have through Friday and throughout the weekend, but nothing new on Friday. So got that one done, and yeah, these guys right here. I don't see any reason why we shouldn't come up here and tag these guys out. And if we don't, then we have all of next week. Did I put it a little bit too tight, maybe? Yeah, I think where I had it originally was good. Okay, how's that look? Okay, looks fine to me. Stops are good. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's what I have. Okay, so you know the drill. Let's go ahead and pop this on back on over to dark charts here. It's bright. All right, wow, look at Bitcoin. That's sad. Anyways, all right, you know the drill. Stay tuned. Let's see how things play out. Tomorrow, I will immediately start recording a new video. We'll see you then.